Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe inside your homes. Dear students, your examination are commencing from 10th of November and there is 40% concession now. And you have to prepare the things for 60% only. Remember, it would be 100 marks question paper like the previous board examination papers, and you have to attempt only 60. If you attempt 60 out of 60, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Yes, students, but the important thing is that you have to put the extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack the examinations with ease. Dear students, you are hit hard by this pandemic because you remained virtually connected to your teachers, not physically. The physical mode of teaching is the actual mode of teaching, and this virtual mode can't be the substitute, but to some extent, this virtual mode finally facilitated you. Dear students, in these days you have to burn midnight oil, you have to remain busy with the books so that you can take your board to the bank. Dear students, yesterday at about 9:30 p.m., a student from Sugam called me to make me learn simple compound and complex sentences. Dear students, this is the repetition. I have already made you learn simple, complex, and compound sentences. Better is to learn these things from English expert or English teacher. I'm not English teacher at all. I'm shouldering task of teaching you English in absence of the English teacher in our institution where I am posted. Dear students, first of all, you need to know what is a simple sentence. A simple sentence is a sentence that contains only one finite verb and it is only one thought. It can't be broken down into two independent thoughts. And most simple sentences are without the conjunctions. Dear students, after that, what is the compound sentence? Compound sentences are those sentences where you found two simple sentences and they are joined by coordinating conjunctions. And the complex sentence is a sentence in which you find one principal clause and one or more than dependent clauses or subordinate clauses. For example, simple sentence, he is a clever boy, she is a clever girl. These are the examples of the simple sentences. I worked hard but failed. I worked hard but failed. This is the compound sentence. Afraid is a man who never cares is a complex sentence. But there is always the what is asked in the coming board exam. This is the conversion of the compound sentence into simple into complex sentences and simple sentence into complex sentences. For compound sentence, you have to keep in the mind these conjunctions are used in the compound sentences. You have to keep a trick in your mind that is the fan buys. FANBOYS. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, S means so. These are the conjunctions that are used in the compound sentences. For example, in previous board examination paper, it was asked, the earth is round and it can be proved. The earth is round and it can be proved. The earth is round, it's a one simple sentence. It can be proved, it's a one simple sentence. And middle they are joined by the coordinating conjunction and you have to change it into the complex sentence. How you can change? Though so simple it is, its meaning never gets changed, but the use of is different there and it turns a complex sentence. For example, the earth is round that can be proved. The earth is round that can be proved. The earth is round is a main clause. It that can be proved. Yeah, can be proved is the what? It is the subordinate clause, and that now is the subordinating conjunction. So the compound sentence got converted into complex sentence when I removed the conjunction and from it and inserted the conjunction that. Take one more example. She is a clever girl. She is a clever girl. Change into the complex one. She is a clever girl. Change into complex one. So simple. She is a clever girl. It can't be. It is only the thing that you can feel, not you can touch the thing. It seems that she is a clever girl. It seems that because you are only feeling these things, or when you are, it feels that, or it seems that She is a clever girl. So the simple sentence you have to keep in the mind is a simple sentence. It's one thought only. That it can't be broken into two independent thoughts. In compound sentence, there are two simple sentences and they are joined by the coordinating conjunctions. And you have to keep in the mind fan bias. That's fan bias. FANBOYS is a trick for the coordinating conjunctions. And complex sentences are those sentences in which you find one principal clause and more than one subordinating clauses. For example, Aprit is a man who never cares. Aprit is a man who never cares. Aprit is a man is a what principal clause. Never cares is dependent clause, and they are joined by the subordinating conjunction who. So it becomes a complex sentence. Take one more example. He is honest. He is honest. He is poor. He is honest. He is poor. Make a compound sentence. He is honest. He is poor. He is honest but poor. He is on because there is a contrast in it. When there is a contrast, this contrast is shown by the coordinating conjunction. But dear students, you have to keep in the mind that simple sentences are those sentences which is only a single thought. It can't be broken into two independent thoughts, and most simple sentences are without the conjunctions. And compound sentences are those sentences in which you find two simple sentences and they are joined by the coordinating conjunctions. And coordinating conjunctions, for coordinating conjunctions, you have to keep in mind a trick that is fan bias. FANBOYS. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, and S means so. And these conjunctions are used in the compound sentences. And the rest of the conjunction, that's although is there, unless is there, this until is there, if is there, who is there, which is there, these are the subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are used in the complex sentence. But what is asked in the examination? There is asked the conversion of simple sentence into complex sentence and compound sentence into complex sentence. For example, taking out his gun, he shot at the bird. Taking out his gun, he shot at the simple sentence. Taking out his gun, he shot at the bird. Change into compound sentence. He took out his gun and shot at the bird. It now becomes the two independent thoughts. Took out his gun and shot at the bird, and they are middle. In middle, they are joined by the coordinating conjunction and. So in examination, there is asked what the conversion, not the definition of simple, compound, and complex sentence. Convert or change simple sentence into complex one, compound sentence into complex one. And this is the mm, first chapter of your grammatical portion. Do see these things on your available grammar books and you will easily get it. You will easily get it. It is so simple to convert simple sentence into complex sentence and compound sentence into simple sentence. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me that 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and within short duration of time when you post your query or confusion shall be cleared. But better is to see these things on your English grammar book so that you can grasp the concept well. Dear students, in these days you have to work hard, you have to burn midnight oil in order to crack the coming examination with ease. My prayers are will with you. You will definitely cross the examination with huge percentage of marks. Thanks. Be balanced.